Hi there folks, welcome back to Viskon 16, and today let me show you how can you make right angle cuts or 90-degree cuts, notches in your 3D wooden elements. For this you will have to use this rebate command. By selecting this command you will have to select the component and the side which you want to put this notch. Let's say I want to be which edge? Maybe this edge. Okay, we get this out, and now we have options to make it bigger or smaller. Make this notch bigger. Let's say I want to be 10 centimeter wide and deep. I want this notch to be 50 centimeters long, and the position somewhere in the middle. I have a 2 meters long element here, so I will have to put it here. Yes, 75 centimeters. So it's in the right in the middle. As you can see, now I have a right angle cut in the middle of my 3D component. Of course, if I want, I can always mirror on each side my little notch, and if I want to I can entirely cut through this piece. Let's leave it like this. Click OK, and now if I want, I can make another cut by checking this box as another rebate. And as you can see, my previous rebate is shown here, as well as our new cut. Let's make this a little bit bigger too, and I want this groove to be longer, something like this. Yeah, and let's copy it to the other sides. And now we have this interesting shape. And this is what you can make with the rebate command in Viskon 16. I hope that you will find this useful.